Romance start outside the bedroom, not in bedroom only. The way you are talking to your wife is the way she is going to be active in bed. So sometimes men, they are complaining that women are not active, what in bedroom, what. It's the way you are talking to her. It confuses her brains, because women to be romantic, it start at our brains. Our feelings came, it start at our brains. When I'm very stressed, I don't have feelings anymore when I'm very stressed most of the time. So the way you are talking to her, be romantic. Even in kitchen, you came back to work, start being romantic at kitchen. When you start being romantic at kitchen, you will see at bedroom what it comes. And women, our feelings are far. They are not, they came, but they are not easy to come as men. Men, they can start feeling that time. So women and men, we are different, because our feelings are far. They came with our brain, the way we are thinking, and our feelings, they came. So you have to know the way you are talking to your woman. Even you are at work, start calling her, be romantic to her. Even you are in a call with your woman, the way you are talking to her, baby, I want you to cook this and that. To be romantic, I want you to wear this and that, what. To be romantic, even you outside the bedroom. When you are in bedroom, you that woman is now charging, because men, they are complaining about women, that my woman is not in charge, what. Because men, they want a woman who is in charge in bed. But women, most of them, they are cold. Why her body is cold? Because you are not romantic, even in bedroom, or what. You are always harassing your woman. Even the way she cooks, tell her by nice way. Even she is not cooking well, you say, baby, your food today, you are not cook well, you have to try tomorrow. But in a nice way, not embarrassing. Yeah, you are not good at cook, look at the way you are cooking, what. You are embarrassing her every time. So it kills her feelings. You are telling her negative things every time. It will kill her feelings. When it comes to bed, nothing happen. That's why so many women, when they are angry, when it comes to bed, they don't want sex, because they don't have feelings at that time. A woman, when she is angry, it kills her feelings. When you in her brains, when her brains are not okay, even the whole body, it affects the whole body. So you have to be careful the way you are talking to your partner. Be romantic, because most of the time, when you are always harass her, it will kill your feelings for good. Most of the time, that's why you saw maybe your woman, she is no longer have feelings for you, because you are the one who kills her feelings.